Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. One of the most common questions we get is how to install the throttles on a Cushman scooter. So today I'm going to take you through the process step by step. All of the parts for these throttles are available through the Dennis Carpenter catalog or on our website. Once you have the throttle completely disassembled, the first thing you want to do is inspect all the parts for wear. This is especially important on the handlebar itself. If the channels are worn or have rough places, your throttle will not work properly, or it may stick, and that is dangerous. Old handlebars are also prone to splitting. That allows the bar to spread as the cam puts force on it, so we need to check to make sure we have no problems there. If your handlebar end is beyond repair and you don't want to replace the entire bar, we offer a repair end that you can weld onto your original bar. So once you have all your new parts, we can begin to assemble the throttle. First, we will install the throttle cam screw onto the throttle cam. If you are installing the return spring, put it over the cable before inserting the cable into the screw. And note, this will not work on a Silver Eagle as they operate in the opposite direction, and the spring will hold the throttle wide open. Now we will thread the inner cable into the hole in the side of the screw on the throttle cam. With just a little bit sticking through to the other side, we will tighten the nut, keeping the cable straight in line with the cam. Now we will insert the cable into the bar, and we will guide the wire through the hole with a small screwdriver and pull the cable through. Now we need to line up the threaded end of the cable with the hole in the bar. Next, we need to rock the cam into the bar using the notch in the cam. At this point, I like to grease the cam and the slots in the bar with a good waterproof grease. Now, with all the rest of our parts ready to go, we will finish the assembly. We need to slide the throttle sleeve over the cam and the bar and make sure to index it correctly so that the slot matches up with the hole in the bar. Put a dab of grease on the slot opening to hold the throttle shoe in place. Now, while holding the cable in position so that the screw hole stays in line with the bar, put the throttle shoe in the groove and line the hole up. Slide the throttle cover over the assembly and install the screw. Now we will test the throttle for proper operation. And that's all there is to it. We hope this video will help you assemble your throttle and get your Cushman back on the road. You can find all the parts we used on this project at dennis-carpenter.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and installation videos.